What's up guys, welcome to another video here on the Marlin PTY channel. Welcome guys, hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to do a video on the QKoo ND Filter Kit for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Alright guys, so just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this kit with my own money. I mentioned it was the QKoo ND Filter Kit, but I got the JSR or the June Star kit. Not sure what's up with that. I'm gonna have to check with with Amazon about this. Yeah, I want to do a short video mainly to show you guys how this fits. I bought this for my GoPro Hero 8 because I got the media mod, and when I want to vlog with the media mod, I can't use any other, well, not that I know of. If you know of any other ND filter kit or ND filter that'll fit the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mod on it, please let me know. This is the only thing I could find. This is for my GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is a nice adapter for ND filters. You just put that on like that, and bam, you could add a ND filter or a circular polarizer filter like that. I didn't find any like this for the GoPro Hero 8 Black before I ordered this. I did see one yesterday on Amazon that Ulanzi makes, but I don't think it works with the media mod on it. This is still the only one I could find. So let me show you how you install this. We'll take a couple of shots, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Here's the box it came in. It says June Star though, but what I ordered was the QKoo kit, so I'll have to send them an email and check with Amazon, see what they say. Maybe it's the same product under a different brand name or something like that, but I'm not sure. And here we have the container which the filter kit comes in, and these are the magnetic filter frames that it brings, and these actually go around the lens. It brings two of these. Here we have one of the filters. This is the ND32. Over here we have the ND16, and then we have the ND8. You guys can see that there. It doesn't feel very cheap. I mean, you know, the finish is really nice, but let's see how this glass holds up. This is the magnetic frame that's going to be attached to the GoPro lens here. The instructions just say to peel off the back and stick it on here. That's the magnet here, and then the frame of the actual filter is magnetic and it'll stick on there as well. Get the front part off. This is just like a protective strip there. It's not the sticky part. This is the actual sticky part we got to peel off there. All right, let's press down on that with the cloth. Let's turn the GoPro on, see if there's any sort of vignetting. Looks good, there's nothing there. Putting this on right, there we go. And I just wonder how good these magnets will work. More importantly, let's take a look if this works without any issue with the media mod. Slide that in there. No issues, not touching at all. So that magnetic frame there is perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and pop this on. So how about that, guys? That's pretty neat. Now let's just take it out and take some test shots, see what the images look like or the video quality is like. Okay guys, as you can see here, we have an overblown shot here, way overexposed. I'm shooting 4K, so this will be sampled down to 1080p for this video. But I got GoPro colors on, and I got the shutter speed set to over 1/48 of a second, 4K 24 frames per second. So let's pop on the ND8 filter to see how much difference it makes. Okay, that's with the ND filter, ND8. Still little hot spots on there. All right, so as you can see, again, we're overblown here, no filters on. We're gonna throw on the ND16 filter, and this is supposed to reduce the light here by 4 stops. It's good for sunny conditions or normal sunny conditions. So let's go ahead and throw the ND16 on. There we go. Had a little trouble getting it on there. And I'm just looking at it from the back of the GoPro screen, and to me it looks really nice. Really contrasty there. Doing the job. So let's check out the ND32 filter, see what that's like. Again, here we go with the ND32 overexposed shot here. Let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on. There we go. Here we have an ND32 filter, and it looks like there's slight vignetting. I'll have to review it on the computer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but definitely reduces the light as it should. And this one is supposed to reduce it by 5 stops. So what do you guys think? All right, so I have the shutter speed set to auto, no filter on, and look how choppy that looks. All right, so now I put the ND32 filter on, and let's go ahead and see right there. Now you can see there's more blur in the movement of my hand. I have more control over my shutter speed this way. All right, this is the ND32 filter with the flat color profile. Guys, back in the studio here. Had a chance to review some of those shots that I took in the backyard. Very pleased with them. They're not bad. I did notice a little bit of a color cast on when I had the filter on. I don't know if it was like a purplish or bluish. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. But it does definitely change the colors on it. I did notice that when I shot in the flat color profile, and I edited that shot, I added a LUT on it and kind of tweaked the colors on it a little bit. The image looked pretty good in my opinion. So today it was a fairly sunny day. The ND16 I think was the one that performed the best today. And that one helps you reduce by 4 stops. The ND8 obviously is for like more cloudy days. The ND32, I noticed a little bit of vignetting there. I think it'll hold up in obviously a sunnier or brighter day. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. The quality of the lens feels pretty good. These are aluminum frames here. You know, for 32, 33 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'm gonna put a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so just know that it won't cost you any additional money, but I do have to let you know it's an Amazon affiliate link. I'll have to update you guys on terms of durability. I'm not sure because obviously I just got that, but I'll update the description of this video or down in the comments. So if you wanna come back and check that, I'll give it an update in about 2 months or so. For what I want it for, which is for vlogging, I think it's gonna work perfect, especially when I get my display mod. This is a very compact setup, and I do like this especially for like my street photography vlogs. So I'll be bringing this along with me, and these filters, I think they'll do a good job. It did block the light enough. You guys saw in those shots with my hand. When I had it on the auto shutter speed, you could clearly see that it was choppy. My hand was choppy when I was moving it up and down like that. But when I set it to 1/48 seconds for the shutter speed, you could see some motion blur in my hand, and that's what you want when you're shooting your videos. You want it to look as natural as possible, and you have some control over your shutter speed with these filters. So they do the job. In terms of photography, I didn't really do any photography tests with it. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment down below with a question, and I'll get back to you guys down there. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check me out on my new vlogging channel. I'll put it down there so you guys can check it as well. And thank you for stopping by, guys. Please stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.